Hi, in this video, we'll be explaining about escape sequences in C. Escape sequences in C. An escape sequence in C language is a sequence of characters that doesn't represent itself when used inside string literal or character. An escape sequence in C language is a sequence of characters that doesn't represent itself when used inside string literal or character. It is composed of two or more characters starting with backslash. For example, backslash n represents new line. In the following table, various escape sequences in C are listed out. For example, \b stands for backspace, \f form field, \n new line, \r carriage return, \t horizontal tab, double quotes, double quote, single quote, \v vertical tab, \a alert, question mark, \n octal constant, \xn hexadecimal constant. Here is an example of escape sequences. We have used \n escape sequence so that each and every word will be separated and printed in new line. Another example program for escape sequences, which shows you use of \n, \t, single quote, \b, question mark, \b. Hi, welcome to Easy to Learn dashboard. Now we have an example program to demonstrate escape sequences. Here's the program. We are making use of /n for new line, /t for tab space, double quotes to have double quotes in the print statement, and /b for backspace. Here's the output. /n which separated the text into two different lines, that is into a new line, /t tab space between the words, double quotes, double quote in the print statement, and /b backspace between these two words. For more examples, you can click on this and select any program and execute it. Thank you. Why to choose Easy to Learn? What Easy to Learn provides us with? Lots of information, web content, video tutorials, mind maps, animations, code practice, quiz, reports, projects, certification, and many more. Everything under one platform. Kindly subscribe us at our YouTube channel and visit our website for more details. That is easytolearn.co. Please like our Facebook page at /easytolearn.co. Thank you.